Oh, hello. I'm bored and it's almost dinner time. So, we're going to try something new today. It's from New York Times Cooking. It has 5 stars with 1,500 reviews, and it claims it should take around 40 minutes. It's citrus soy ramen. I don't know why I did this. Citrus soy chicken ramen is today's recipe. So, this is a moderately fast recipe that uses a rotisserie chicken. So we have that behind me, and we're just gonna start prepping right away because we need to get dinner done on time. So since it claims it's gonna be ready in time for dinner, let's start our timer and get our prep done. No time to waste. Okay, first we're gonna quarter an onion. It says to leave the peels on, but I'm all set. Okay, we're gonna put those on the side. 3 heads of garlic. We're just gonna cut them. Cut them around the top. Get the extra loose. Okay, just like that. Got our rotisserie chicken. Yum yum. And we're just gonna take the meat off. We're gonna take the skin, put the skin with the onions and garlic, so it's all going in to flavor the broth. Just gonna chop the chicken up a little bit. Just to get it into some chunks. And we're saving this. Put this all, the juices, because this is all going in later. Give it a little salt and pepper. We'll see this later. We add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we're just gonna saute. Okay, we're looking to get some browning on these. While these are going, I'm separating cilantro, saving the stems because they're going to go in the next step. You got chicken bones with some of the fatty meat on it for flavor and fun. Half of the water, 4 cups, going in right now. 8 cups and a half, so 8.5 cups total. Add our cilantro stems. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now we're going to bring this up to a gentle simmer and then simmer for 20 minutes. It's a lot of water, so it's taking a minute to heat up. We're going to give it a little taste just to see where we're at. Pretty nice light chicken broth. We're going to let it go for a few more and then we're going to start skimming. Okay, I had a little camera issue. We're switching cameras for now. See how this works? In 5 minutes, we're going to skim, get all the good stuff. We're going to run it through a cheesecloth just to get through all the chunks out that I added. And then we're pretty much done. We're going to simmer a little more, cook our noodles. The recipe calls to cook the noodles in this broth, but I'm going to do it separate just to keep everything clear. So I know if you add noodles to this broth, it'll make it cloudy. So we're going to skip it. Okay, it's been another like 10 minutes. Letting this simmer. We're going to do another taste. Oh, yeah. Delicious. The difference between now and 10 minutes ago, light years. All right, we're gonna cheesecloth this bitch. Go for it. Connect four. Uh-oh. Cheesecloth didn't cover it all. Okay, while we bring this back to a simmer, I just put some water on for these bad boys. I think I've had them before. I think they're good. I don't remember, honestly. It was a while ago, but broth tastes good. It took a little extra time, but that was my fault. LOL. All right, we're gonna pop the chicken in and the juice at the bottom. Can't forget all that goodness. Oh, and if you're wondering why I skimmed the bulk of it, but not the bottom goodness on that rotisserie chicken, because that's the good stuff. Why would I throw away bonus flavor? Yeah, I threw most of it away, but it's fine. I just wanted a clearer broth to make it a little more presentable. Because I wanted it to look nice, not cloudy. Which is also why I'm boiling the water separately. Which is why it's taking an extra 10 minutes. Noodles are ready. We're ready. But first, we gotta heat up the bowl. Swirl it. Okay, we got our noodles. We got our bowl. But we got a little extras to add too. Okay, hopefully I did this right. Okay. We're done. So, got chicken, obviously. I did some corn because I can't have ramen without corn. We got green onions. We got the sauteed green onion whites. And I had a shallot. And I was like, okay, so it's a shallot, a little soft boiled egg, and the citrus that we're gonna add on the top. So let's do it. Get some lemon. Get some lime. All right, we did it. Yeah, the timer says an hour 20, but I also spent the last 25 minutes finishing my toppings, taking care of that egg, and then plating it. So, even with my errors, I'm pretty sure you can get this start to finish on the table less than an hour. No problem. Yeah, it looks delicious. So let's give it a mix. I've been waiting. Sure I don't need chopsticks because it's chicken noodle. Okay, yeah, it's delish. It's simple, it's light. It is 95 degrees out today. And yeah, I made this. No regrets. It's really good. And considering everything, it didn't take that much effort. So I'm not complaining. My only issue is all the extras that I really usually always want, like some sort of crispy onion or shallot, scallions, some corn. I always have corn on ramen, always. Oh, I just need to add some heat, and then we're perfect. So I'm gonna grab that chili crunch. But yeah, I recommend it. We got it done in time, ish. So
I just got off of work. Just in time.
thumbs up all around. It's good. It's not too complicated. You turn a rotisserie chicken into a lot of flavor. And I'm going to make this again. And I recommend toppings. I really do. Honestly, shallots, little fried shallots, 10 out of 10. I could eat these by the spoonful. And they go so good with it. Yeah, I think it's worth it. It will be faster than I did. And even in 95-degree weather, it is literally disgusting outside. Worth it. Do it. Go make this. And I'm going to go eat dinner because it's dinner time. So, thank you for watching. Stay bored. I'll see you soon.